Want to make your text appear behind a person or object in your video? Here's how to do it fast and easy using CapCut on PC. This is a quick and easy way to make your videos look more professional without needing advanced editing software. Start by opening your video in CapCut. First, we'll create a simple example where the text appears behind a person. Begin by adding your text. Click on the text tool, type what you want, and position it on the screen where you want it to appear. Make sure to adjust the font and size if needed. Then, stretch the text layer's duration to match the length of your video clip. Now, we need to put this text behind the subject. To do this, first duplicate your video clip. Right-click the clip on your timeline, choose Copy, then right-click again and choose Paste. You now have two identical video clips stacked. But CapCut doesn't let you put a video clip above the text layer unless it's grouped. So right-click your text layer and select Create Compound Clip. This groups the text into one unified layer, making it possible to move it under the video. Now drag the duplicated video clip above the compound clip. This places the top video layer over the text. Select the top video layer, then go to the right side and click on Remove BG. Choose Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically detect the person in the video and remove the background. Now your text appears behind the person, giving the illusion of depth. Now let's say you want to put text behind something other than a person, like an animal, a car, or an object. The process is similar. First, add your text like before. Stretch it to match your clip. Right-click the clip on your timeline, choose Copy, then right-click again and choose Paste. Then create a compound clip by right-clicking on the text layer. Place the duplicate clip above the compound text clip. Select the top video clip again, then click on Remove BG. Choose Auto Removal. Once you're done, the text will now appear behind your chosen object, whether it's a dog, a car, or any other subject. That's it. You've now learned how to put text behind people and objects using CapCut on PC. This trick works great for intros, vlogs, and any video where you want to make your text stand out. If this tutorial helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching.